All right, let's give it a start, see how it sounds. It's ought to be good.
I don't know about y'all, but I think it sounds great. Way better than the old setup for sure. This is our 1968 GMC Suburban build. We decided to get rid of the old exhaust system to make room for our new Black Widow upgraded exhaust. This thing is going to be awesome. Let's get to work. It's a full house in here. We managed to fit 4 cars.
I think we can fit one more.
Alright, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and move the Del Sol out of the way. We're going to get back to working on the 68 Suburban exhaust.
Here's the full preview of the new exhaust. All right, hooks up to the manifold there. Comes down around. It's a tight squeeze between the transfer case and the frame rail. Comes down, around to the X pipe there. Got the X pipe right there. After the X pipe, we got a slip joint here for the mufflers, so they'll slip on right there at that joint there and there. And then the mufflers, kind of did something a little bit different with the mufflers. Actually welded the mufflers together just because that was kind of the easiest, just to make them where I could hang the mufflers together, make it a little more simple. And so yeah, the mufflers, and yeah, everything is nice and tucked up, nothing hangs too low. You can see the piping just a little bit there. The strap's kind of in the way, but it's tucked up real nice. You'll barely be able to see it. And then yeah, after the mufflers we got the tailpipes, one coming out of each side. They come up, go over the axle, one on each side. It comes over the axle, around, and out the side. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. It's got another slip joint there and there to make the tailpipes fully removable. I tried to make it all where if I need to pull the exhaust, it's serviceable, don't have to cut nothing. And then yeah, you can kind of see the exhaust through there a little bit. There's the tailpipe. It just comes out behind the tire. Nothing crazy, tucked up pretty good, not too low. I was thinking about doing some exhaust tips, but I kind of decided not to. I just did a simple tailpipe.
It's looking great, babe.
Woo, Robbie.
Yeah, that was so much work today.
My knees are feeling it.
I know, even with the knee pads. I'm so sorry.
Foam pad, it was rough.
But the exhaust is fully welded. It's ready to get installed on the truck.
Yep, ready to reinstall. And then just do some exhaust hangers and good to go. All right, let's give it a start, see how it sounds. It's ought to be good.
Sounds pretty great to me. What do you guys think? Please let me know down in the comments. I definitely want to hear your feedback. I think it sounds way better than the old setup. We're about to go driving around out on the streets and see how it sounds while we're driving it. home with our 68 Suburban. That was an awesome cruise. I'm so glad you came along for the ride. The new exhaust is awesome. We are so happy with it. It sounds great and there are no fumes. So we could not ask for more. We're really happy that we got that done. That way we can enjoy the Suburban. And the next time you guys will see the Suburban, we're gonna be taking it to a car show in a few weeks.